The 1957 Fiat 500N, widely recognized as the Nuova 500, stands as one of the most important small cars ever produced in post-war Europe. It was introduced by Fiat during a period when Italy was rebuilding its economy after the devastation of World War II. At that time, there was a strong demand for affordable personal transportation. As many people could not yet afford larger, more expensive automobiles. The Fiat 500N was developed to meet this need, offering a compact, efficient, and accessible vehicle designed specifically for everyday use in crowded urban environments. The physical dimensions of the Fiat 500N were a defining aspect of its design. Measuring just under 3 meters in length, it was exceptionally small even by the standards of the 1950s. This compact size made it highly maneuverable. Allowing drivers to navigate narrow streets and tight corners commonly found in historic Italian cities. Parking was also significantly easier compared to larger vehicles, which added to its practicality. The car's body featured a rounded, almost symmetrical shape. With smooth curves replacing sharp angles. This design not only contributed to its recognizable appearance, but also improved airflow around the vehicle, enhancing efficiency. One of the most distinctive exterior features of the Fiat 500N was its full-length folding fabric roof. Rather than being a traditional fixed metal roof, this design allowed the driver and passengers to open the top section of the car, creating an open-air driving experience. This feature added a sense of freedom and enjoyment, particularly in warmer climates, without requiring the structural complexity of a full convertible system. The simplicity of the mechanism also aligned with the car's overall philosophy of minimizing cost and mechanical complexity. The engine configuration of the Fiat 500 North was another key element of its design. It was equipped with a rear-mounted, air-cooled, two-cylinder engine with a displacement of 479 cubic centimeters. This engine produced approximately 13 horsepower, which was modest but appropriate for a vehicle of its size and weight. Because the engine was air-cooled, it did not require a radiator or liquid cooling system, reducing both maintenance requirements and the likelihood of overheating issues. The placement of the engine at the rear also allowed for more efficient use of interior space, as it eliminated the need for a large engine compartment at the front. Performance was tailored to urban driving conditions rather than high-speed travel. The Fiat 500N could reach a top speed of around 85 kilometers per hour, which was sufficient for city roads and short-distance travel between towns. Acceleration was gradual, reflecting the limited power output of the engine, but the car's lightweight construction helped compensate for this limitation. The overall driving experience was simple and direct, with a strong emphasis on practicality rather than performance. The transmission system consisted of a 4-speed manual gearbox. Drivers were required to shift gears manually, which was standard for vehicles of that era. The gear changes were straightforward, and the mechanical nature of the system provided a direct connection between the driver and the vehicle. Steering was also manual, with no power assistance, but the car's low weight made it relatively easy to handle. This simplicity extended to all aspects of the vehicle, ensuring that it remained accessible to a wide range of users. Inside the cabin, the Fiat 500N maintained a minimalistic approach. The interior was designed with functionality in mind, featuring a basic metal dashboard with limited instrumentation. Typically, this included a speedometer and a few essential controls, with little emphasis on comfort or luxury. The seats were compact and lightly padded, designed to maximize available space within the small cabin. While the car was primarily intended for 2 occupants, a small rear bench allowed for additional passengers, although space was limited. Fuel efficiency was one of the most important advantages of the Fiat 500N. Its small engine and lightweight body meant that it consumed very little fuel compared to larger vehicles. This efficiency made it particularly appealing during a time when economic resources were limited and cost savings were essential. For many individuals and families, the ability to own and operate a car at a low cost represented a significant improvement in quality of life. Despite its many advantages, the early versions of the Fiat 500N were not without criticism. Some drivers found the engine to be underpowered, particularly when the vehicle was fully loaded or driven on steep inclines. In response to these concerns, Fiat introduced later variants with improved performance and additional features. However, the original 1957 model remains an important reference point, representing the initial concept and design philosophy of the Nuova 500. The cultural impact of the Fiat 500N was substantial. In Italy, it became a symbol of economic progress and increased mobility. For many people, it was their first experience owning a personal automobile, marking a shift away from reliance on public transportation or 2-wheeled vehicles. The car quickly became integrated into everyday life, used for commuting, shopping, and family outings. Its affordability and practicality made it accessible to a broad segment of the population. Beyond Italy, the Fiat 500N gained popularity in other European countries. Its reputation for reliability and low operating costs contributed to its success in international markets. The simplicity of its mechanical components made it relatively easy to repair, even in areas with limited access to specialized tools or expertise. This adaptability further enhanced its appeal and ensured its longevity. From an engineering perspective, the Fiat 500N demonstrated how thoughtful design could achieve maximum efficiency with minimal resources. Every component of the vehicle served a clear purpose, with no unnecessary additions. The lightweight construction improved fuel economy and performance, while the rear engine layout optimized interior space. These design principles have influenced many small cars developed in subsequent decades. Today, the 1957 Fiat 500N is regarded as a classic automobile and an important part of automotive history. It is highly valued by collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its simplicity and historical significance. Restoration projects are common, with many individuals dedicated to preserving the vehicle in its original condition. These efforts ensure that the legacy of the Fiat 500N continues to be recognized and appreciated. The influence of the original Fiat 500N can still be seen in modern vehicles. Contemporary versions of the Fiat 500 incorporate design elements inspired by the 1957 model, including its compact proportions and distinctive rounded shape. While modern technology has introduced significant advancements in safety, performance, and comfort, the core idea of a small, efficient city car remains unchanged. In conclusion, the 1957 Fiat 500N represents a pivotal moment in automotive development. It was not designed to be powerful or luxurious, but rather to provide a practical solution to a widespread need for affordable transportation. Its success was rooted in its simplicity, efficiency, and accessibility. By making personal mobility available to a larger portion of the population, it played a significant role in shaping modern transportation. The Fiat 500N remains a lasting example of how effective design and engineering can create a vehicle that is both functional and historically meaningful.